Hello guys, welcome to the Securum Academy YouTube channels. My name is Sahil. So in this video, we are going to take a look about the vulnerabilities name called insecure data in storage. This vulnerability occurs on Android application as well as iOS application. So in this video, we are going to take a look how these vulnerabilities work and how sensitive data stored in the file system. So let's get into the video. So let's set up our lab first. So I'm going to practical this vulnerability on a Diva application. So I will drop the link of the application or resources I've used in this video in the description box. You can check out all the things down there. So let's connect with our ADB first. We are successfully connected to our shell. So in this vulnerability actually happen is like sensitive information. Our application store a sensitive information like anything sensitive like user credentials, username, email ID or xyz uh, on our local file system. So as an attack scenario, another application can like another malicious application can show all the things that are stored in your file system. So let's check if the so let's go with the insecure data storage part 1. So firstly we have to go to the path of this particular application, data. This one is our application. Okay, so you can see the following directory over there. So let's type hey you are hacked 1 2 3 4 5 6 and let's save it. And it's showing credentials saved successfully. Let's check the shared preferences ls. As you can see the particular preferences of the application. So let's cat these things. Cat means open, guys, don't be confused. So as you guys can see here, our sensitive information stores here. So guys, I think you have a like overview what is actually insecure data storage is. So let's go for the another part of this. So let's go insecure data storage part 2. Let's check, find out the where how credential being stored and the vulnerable code. Insecure data storage in the result, storing the confidential information insecurely on the system, poor encryption, plain text, access control issues, etc. Okay, so let's check where it's stored. So enter the third party username. Let's test 1. It's actually test 1 test at the 1 to 3. Now save it. Now let's check the file system. ls cd shared preps. Guys, as you can see there is nothing in shared preps. Let's check the cache folder. Nothing in cache folder 2. Let's check the databases. Database here. Hey guys, as you can see, there is a different databases over there. So let's check the source code because I can't understand where the data could be stored. So let's check the source code for this particular activity. So for that I am using JADAX. This tool is used for a static analysis or source code review. So this is my application. So let's simply drop here. Let's check the manifest files. Oh guys, sorry about my system, it's getting freezy. So insecure data storage part 2. So here is the insecure data storage part 2. Let's check this particular activity source code. So here is the code of this particular activity. So this particular activity creates the database of IDS2. So we can see the IDS2 file here. Actually, like if you guys are noticed, here is the IDS2 file. So let's check the content of this particular file. Okay, so we can't see the text, clear text here. So I'm going to open all this file with SQLite browser. So let's pull all these on my Windows system first. ADB pull, what we have to pull. Let's check the directory. Okay, we'll have to pull this particular ADB. Okay, sorry, Control C, then hit enter. It's pulled successfully on our Nox bin. So let's check, open the Nox bin folder. Databases. Okay, here you guys can see we pulled successfully. So now let's I'm open this particular IDS2. Database file. So let's open it. I'm using SQLite browser. So you guys can use anything like SQLite, CLI, or already installed on like ADV shell. So you can use those particular browser. Also, as you can see, is our my user data, Android metadata, everything that's stored in IDS2. Let's browse our data. Let's check the my user details. So here you guys can see our credentials stored in like unencrypted way. So this could be the reason for the insecure data storage too. So that's it for the today's video. Thank you so much for watching.